Hi everybody, this is Ben Reeder from the RG Group, and I'm the Digital Marketing Manager for the company. And I want to share some new exciting features that we have on our website. And essentially that is a feature that we have a back-end portal which will allow you to access your account information as far as order status and tracking, be able to reorder. So it's pretty simple though. So all you really need to do is if you go up to this particular button here, and this is account login page. So I'm going to click on this. Logs me to this particular page. If you already have been we call it a synced shopper or a registered user, you would go through this area here. If you don't have an account yet and want to create one, you go through here. And of course, you forget your password. Everyone needs that every once in a while. And then we move to the login. All right, so now that I'm logged in, you notice that I have my account up here in the corner. It's changed now. So, of course, I'm going to click on that. So really, this is the meat and potatoes. There's 3 tabs here. First tab is account information, and if I would have had your company name in here, and maybe your title, of course your customer number, name, phone number, email, so on and so forth. Pretty simple stuff, right? And on the address book tab, this would be all the locations that we ship to. So if you only have one location, you only have one. If you had several stores or several locations, we'd have them all in here, just to kind of show you the exact addresses. Now you can't change anything on this, but our customer service group would be happy to help you with that. But here is the reason for this video: this is the meat and potatoes of everything. This is the order history tab, right? So this is nice. As a registered user, right, or customer of ours, you would have all this access to all this information, and essentially gives you some great stuff. So I say you wanted to look up an old order by the date. Right, you could go back and say, okay, July 1st to, July whatever with 31st, I wanted to look something up. Or you say you had a particular SKU that you knew you bought, or you had a particular PO number you could search for. Either way, you can go through all those and look. And then you could choose things that whether or not it's an open item, in other words, has it shipped or has it not shipped, or a closed item saying confirmed and shipped, or both. I'm going to start with the closed, right? Closed meaning that we've attached a tracking number to it. So, for example, this is just an order we had as of yesterday. So today's the 14th. So we ordered someone ordered through this website and on the 13th. So let's check it out. We could click on either the drop down or the actual order number, and it populates some information. So in this example, there was only one item that was shipped. So it had an item, it had a description, so we know it's a gas vacuum. There's only one of them, and estimated ship date on the 13th. So this order came in early enough on the same day, and our guarantee for you is if it's stockable, then if you order by 2 p.m., we get it out the same day for you. And then we could really kind of the big part is here, checking on the shipping. So if I click on this now, this drops down, tells us a little more information, right? It's quantity of shipped. It actually shipped on the same day. It was UPS ground. And now if I was clicking on this would open up a new tab. And this would be this take you directly to UPS and track the shipping itself. So these are some really nice features. Now, this particular order only had one item. Let's just imagine you had several items. And so out of those items, for example, there's only one here. Out of those items, and you want to check the status update on that. Say one shipped the same day, like example of this one. And say the other one had a 2-week lead time on it because it was a unique part or something like that. Well, and you want to check on the status of that, you essentially click on it, and then you would click Submit My Request. This goes directly to our customer service, and it'll follow up by giving the answers you'll need on those particular items. So this is nice that you can get something in queue off hours. So say you didn't want to make a phone call, didn't have time, you could be on your smartphone, you could be on your computer at home, and find all this information at any point. So it's kind of neat. And only last thing is if you wanted to reorder, right? You could get right in here, you could reorder this product, and then it would set you up for exactly what you had. Where it's going to, where it's coming from, how you're going to pay for it, so on and so forth. Just enter these things in. If you got some extra notes, and then boom, place the order. So that's basically it. I was trying to keep it quick and simple. We hope that you would become a registered user, as we're calling it, essentially just sending us an email that says that you'd like to sync your account with us, and you'll have access to all this information. If you have more questions, certainly call our customer service. We'll answer anything we have for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.